If your Brazilian wax feels extremely painful, you're probably making one common mistake. Most people think waxing is just supposed to hurt, but that's actually not true. The level of pain depends heavily on what you do before your appointment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce that pain using simple steps most people completely ignore. If you've ever gone for a wax and felt like you couldn't handle it, you're not alone. But the good news is, this is fixable. The first mistake that causes extreme pain is having the wrong hair length. If your hair is too long, the wax pulls more aggressively. If it's too short, the wax won't grip properly. The ideal length is about a grain of rice, around 1/4 of an inch. Too long or too short hair leads to repeated pulling, which significantly increases the pain. Get the length right first. One of the most important things you should do is exfoliate your skin 24 hours before waxing. This removes dead skin cells, helps prevent ingrown hairs, and allows the wax to grip the hair better, reducing the number of times your skin is pulled. Just make sure you don't exfoliate immediately before waxing, because that can make your skin more sensitive. Tip number 3 and 7 are related. Avoid caffeine and stay relaxed. Avoid caffeine before your wax. Coffee can actually make your skin more sensitive and increase your perception of pain. So skip that coffee a few hours before your appointment for a smoother experience. Also, try to stay relaxed and breathe steadily. If your body is tense, waxing feels more painful because tension increases sensitivity. Always try to wax after taking a warm shower. Warm water helps open up your pores, making it easier for hair to be removed. This reduces resistance, and that means less pain. However, don't go in with wet skin. Make sure it's clean and completely dry. Another mistake people make is waxing at the wrong time, specifically with regards to the menstrual cycle. If you menstruate, avoid waxing right before or during your period. This is when your body is naturally more sensitive to pain. The best time is usually a few days after your cycle ends, when your pain tolerance is higher. Finally, consider pain relief and the type of wax used. If you're really worried about pain, you can take a mild pain reliever before your appointment, but always make sure it's safe for you and follow proper guidelines. Not all waxing techniques are the same. Hard wax is generally less painful for sensitive areas compared to soft wax, as it grips the hair, not the skin, making it gentler. Welcome. Are you looking for ways to reduce pain during your Brazilian waxing session? We have some essential tips for you. Brazilian waxing can be daunting due to the potential for pain, but with the right preparation and knowledge, you can significantly reduce discomfort. Let's start with tip number 6. Consider using pain relief if you're worried about discomfort. If you're really worried about pain, you can take a mild pain reliever before your appointment. This simple step can help reduce discomfort and make the entire process more bearable. However, always make sure it's safe for you and follow proper guidelines before taking any medication. Next up is tip number 7. Staying relaxed is a game changer when it comes to managing waxing pain. This might sound simple, but being relaxed makes a huge difference in your pain perception. If your body is tense, waxing feels more painful. Try to stay relaxed and breathe steadily throughout the process. Tension increases sensitivity, making the wax feel worse, while relaxation works to reduce that intense sensation. Here's a bonus tip that can significantly impact your comfort: choosing the right waxing technique. It's important to remember that not all waxing techniques are the same, and your choice matters for pain levels. Hard wax is generally considered less painful for sensitive areas, especially compared to traditional soft wax. If you have the option, go for hard wax. It's specifically designed to be gentler on the skin, adhering only to the hair. So as you can see, Brazilian waxing doesn't have to be extremely painful. Avoiding the pain comes down to proper preparation and following these simple steps that many people tend to ignore. Now, I want to know, which of these mistakes were you making? Drop your answer in the comments below. Be honest. Does your wax hurt this bad? Flushed? And if you want more tips like this to help you stay smooth, make sure you follow for more.